Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Facebook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Facebook. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Facebook on your device and you will be taken to the login page. So enter your details here. Type in your phone number or email address linked to your Facebook account and enter your password. If you forget your password, tap Forgotten Password and reset the password. Once you are done, tap Login. And that's how you log in to Facebook. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.